W with MRMIKE.
Hey everybody, it's Mr. Mike. Today we are going to draw. I'm so excited about this episode. Today we are going to draw a UFO with an adorable alien inside of it. Wow! And we only need 3 basic lines and shapes to make this. An arc, a line, and a circle. I can't wait to get started. Let's see how it all fits together. Now, you'll notice in my sample drawing that I did that I drew this in the middle of the paper going this way, but I think it might be better if the drawing went this way, so we had more space below the UFO, and you'll see why. All right, so let's start off drawing our UFO. We're gonna start with an arc at the top. So I'm gonna start right here, and I'll make the top there with an arc. And then we're going to do an arc below it going the opposite way. So just come just outside of that arc, like that. And just so it doesn't, it extends a little further. We want it to go a little further, like that. All right, then we're gonna do a line that comes out to here. Okay, and the same thing over here, we'll do a line that comes out to here. Okay, and now we're going to make a big arc and join those lines. Ready? Start on this side. At any point during this video, if you want to pause it to catch up, pause it and then join back with us and keep drawing. All right, next we're going to add another arc right below this one. About, maybe we'll do a line here and a line here, and that's the distance of the next arc down. So we'll start here, have the arc come down, and go all the way up to the other side and join that line there. And now we're gonna add another arc, and it's gonna go down around like this, come up here. So start on this side, have the arc down and around, and go all the way up to this side. Just like that. This is looking great. Look at this UFO. All right, next we're going to draw the lights on the UFO. So there's one arc that's here, and then there's another arc on this side that's here. But the rest of the lights are circles. So let's start right here and add a circle. And then let's add another circle about that far apart. And we're just going to continue making circles about that far apart all the way to over here. So follow along. There we go. Another. And then one more. I think we only need one more. Right about there. All right. Next, we're going to put the legs for the landing gear. We're going to add an arc right here. And then we'll have another arc come down to a point right there. And we'll do the same thing on the opposite side. So we'll have an arc come down, like this, and then we'll have another one come down to a point, just like that. Next, we're gonna add the alien. Oh my goodness. I love this alien. All right, so we'll start off with an arc like this, and then a line will come up, and then we're going to add a circle for the antenna right there. And then we're gonna have another line come down, and then we're gonna have an arc be the top of the head. And then we'll do a line up with a circle sitting on top for the antenna. And then we'll have a line come down, stop, and then we'll finish off with an arc on this side. Look at that. Now we're going to add in 2 circles for the eyes. So make sure, I like to put them about right where the antenna comes down, and then add a circle in here, and then you can color it in if you like. I'm going to color mine in. And the same thing over here, add a circle right below the antenna and color it in. And now you make an arc for the smile. So you can start the arc right here and then have him smile. Just like that. Now I'm going to add another arc so that we see the other side of the UFO on that side. So we're going to continue the arc here and stop, and then right over here and then stop. All right, now what's left? This is why I wanted to do a vertical drawing so that we had room for the tractor beam, because the UFO is taking something. What is the UFO taking? Now I'm going to let you come up with something, but I have something that I'm going to draw. But you can come up with whatever you would like to draw here. So use your imagination. Well, we're going to do one line that comes from here, and it's going to go all the way down to here. So one long line does that on this side, and the same thing on the opposite side. We're going to go the other way. So start here at the top, and we'll just have it go. You have it go down to here. So connect that to the dot, just like that. So we have our tractor beam. Now, what is the alien bringing up to the ship? What do you think? I'm gonna put a slice of pizza, and I can draw a slice of pizza, but you can put anything you want, and I would encourage you to use your imagination. Put anything that you want to be in that tractor beam. Maybe it's a cow, maybe it's an ice cream cone, maybe it's, I don't know, your favorite hat or your cat. I'm gonna draw a piece of pizza. So let's do a line up and then another line over, and then we're gonna join that with an arc, and then we're gonna add another arc right here, and I'm gonna put pepperoni on my slice of pizza, so I need some circles. 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to use arcs to make it look like the pepperoni is cut in half on the slice. So an arc there, and then another arc here, and look at that. Oh my goodness, look at that alien. And I think that alien's kind of hungry for some pizza. What color are you going to make your UFO, your alien, and what thing from your imagination is going to be in your tractor beam? You can do anything you want. Thanks so much for drawing with me today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Draw with Mr. Mike, and I'll see you next time, okay? Bye, everybody. For this and other episodes, drawing lessons, activities, and books, please visit drawwithmrmike.com. And don't forget to subscribe to the Draw with Mr. Mike channel on YouTube, Vimeo, and Facebook.
Draw with Mr. Mike. Let's draw with Mr. Mike. DRAW with MRMIKE.